My name is Jim Nerone. I'm the head of IT, so Business Intelligence Systems and Infrastructure for Buyers Products, which is out of Cleveland, Ohio. The effective digital strategy for Buyers Products began with basically understanding that we had to build a good product. If we wanted to migrate customers to the product, to an online site from a traditional mechanism such as fax and phone, we had to make it worth their while. And so we made a tremendous investment in product content. That was a big one: pictures, images, videos, long copy, more specs than we've ever even known internally. And then kind of understanding that in a B2B environment, it's a lot different than a simple site. So having product restrictions where different customers can buy different items, understanding tiered pricing and complicated pricing structure that you tend to have in business, and providing the type of information that people are looking for: inventory availability, order status, and tracking. So having nothing to start with, short of a few marketing sites, building a really strong platform from day zero was critical. Without it, no matter what we did to promote, we wouldn't have been successful. So we start there. And then what I would say, even beyond that, kind of related to that, is we went through an iterative process where we partnered with a finite number of customers in a beta stage. And during that process, really listened to feedback and made tweaks to the site and improvements to the site. And then we've been live now for a little over 2 months. And during that time period, we've also continued to make improvements. This kind of idea of continuous improvement, feature enhancement, making it a better user experience is very, very critical. That's all around having a great product, and Insight's been instrumental in our ability to do that. We have, Buyers has been around 70 years, and we have an external sales force that has relationships with all of these brick and mortar stores that have made us who we are. And they visit accounts every single day. They're driving lot to lot and talking to people. And it has been important internally to make sure that those sales reps know what we've been building. We've been involving them in the process of building it, making sure they're excited about the site. If salespeople are excited about the site, if they realize the potential of it, the rich content, what a great product it is, they will vouch for it. They will talk to their accounts about it. And we've seen that. If they don't have confidence in it, they're going to talk about a new product or something else. They're not going to waste either person's time with that type of discussion. More directly, where Insight was directly involved in kind of this growth strategy, I think there's 4 ways. One was creating that pull-through demand. So again, 80% of our traffic on the website is end users. They are finding us through Google search. They are finding us through partner sites and searching and finding our products. And then they want to go find places to buy. And so that robust wish list, where to buy functionality, has created pull-through demand, and growing us together as partners. So that's one of the ideas of this pull-through demand, is if we attract end users and route them through our existing sales channels, our existing business partners, they're able to grow, we're able to grow, and we demonstrate our commitment to them and how this is a partnership where we grow together. So that's one way, that pull-through demand. 2, the idea that we offer the broadest offering of anybody in our industry. There's no one who does lighting and toolboxes and towing and plows and spreaders and cargo control. Buyers has the broadest offering of anybody in our marketplace. And so being able to get customers onto a website where they may know us for 1 or 2 product lines and expose them to other products